ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। हर हर गंगे। Ganga Saptami Vrat Katha in English. Bathing and performing acts of charity are considered to hold special significance on the day of Ganga Saptami. If you take a holy dip in the river Ganga on this day, all the sins of your life are believed to be washed away. Furthermore, charitable donations made on this day are said to lead an increase in one's wealth and prosperity. It is believed that the Divine Mother Ganga originated on this very day. This day is also widely known as Ganga Jayanti. A popular legend regarding Ganga Saptami is recounted in the Puranas, detailing the story of Mother Ganga's origin. If you are unfamiliar with the legends associated with Mother Ganga, today we will share with you the tales connected to Ganga Saptami. So let us explore the legends surrounding Ganga Saptami. The legend of Mother Ganga Saptami and sage Jahanu. Ganga Saptami Legend 1. The popular legend concerning Ganga Saptami unfolds as follows. Once the river Ganga was flowing with great velocity. At that time, sage Jahanu was deeply immersed in meditation upon the divine. As the Ganga flowed past him in her rapid course, she swept away his kamandalu, water pot, and other belongings that were placed nearby. When sage Jahanu opened his eyes and discovered that his belongings were missing, he was consumed by rage. His fury was so intense that, in his wrath, he drank up the entire river Ganga. Subsequently, sage Bhagirath implored sage Jahanu to release the Ganga. Acceding the sage Bhagirath's request, sage Jahanu released the Ganga by allowing her to emerge from his ear. This incident occurred on the Saptami, that is 7th day of the Vaishakh lunar month. Consequently, Ganga Saptami has been celebrated on this day ever since. This event is also referred to as the second birth of the Ganga. Thus, because she became the daughter of sage Jahanu, the river Ganga is also affectionately known as Jahnavi. A legend connecting Mother Ganga with Radha and Sri Krishna on Ganga Saptami. Ganga Saptami Legend 2. As per Puranas, there is another popular legend associated with Ganga Saptami. This story concerns Lord Sri Krishna and Radha. Once in Brahmalok, the celestial realm of Brahma, Sri Krishna and Radha were engaged in the Ras Leela, the divine dance. They became so deeply immersed in this dance that they transformed into water. Upon their transformation into water, Lord Brahma collected them into his kamandalu, that is water pot. It is believed that the day this occurred was precisely Ganga Saptami. Therefore, according to one tradition, the origin of Mother Ganga is also attributed to Lord Brahma's kamandalu. Since this incident, the genesis of Mother Ganga has been considered to stem from Lord Brahma's water pot. A legend connecting Mother Ganga with Bhagirath. Ganga Saptami Legend 3. As per Puranas, Ganga originated from the toe of Lord Vishnu. According to this legend, the sage Kapil Muni once cursed King Sagar's 60,000 sons, reducing them to ashes. Subsequently, King Bhagirath's ancestors performed intense penance to invoke Mother Ganga. However, she did not grant them her divine vision, and one by one they cast off their mortal coils. To secure the salvation of his ancestors, King Bhagirath also undertook rigorous penance, and Mother Ganga was pleased by his devotion. Thus, Bhagirath brought Mother Ganga down to earth. The moment Mother Ganga descended to earth and touched King Sagar's 60,000 sons, as well as Bhagirath's other ancestors, they attained salvation. For this very reason, Mother Ganga acquired the alternative name Bhagirathi. A legend connecting Mother Ganga with Lord Shiva. Ganga Saptami Legend 4. There is yet another legend prevalent regarding Mother Ganga. When Bhagirath performed intense penance to invoke Mother Ganga, she was pleased by his devotion and granted him the boon to descend to earth. However, it was also revealed that her velocity was so immense that were she to descend directly upon the earth, she would plunge straight into the netherworld. To resolve this predicament, Bhagirath undertook intense penance to propitiate Lord Shiva. Pleased by his devotion, Shiva granted him a boon to mitigate the force of the Ganges flow. Thereafter, Bhagirath implored Mother Ganges to descend to earth. As Mother Ganga began her descent, Lord Shiva caught her within the coils of his matted locks. Held fast within his locks, the velocity of Mother Ganga was significantly reduced. Subsequently, flowing down from Mount Kailash, Mother Ganga descended to earth and liberated Bhagirath's ancestors. As per Puranas, that was the very day when the Ganga entered the matted locks of Lord Shiva. This was the story of Ganga Saptami or Ganga Jayanti. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thank you. Har Har Gange, Har Har Gange, Har Har Gange, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev.